Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Take a ride in the 2008 STS. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, one-touch windows, 4 tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, cargo area light, compass, trip odometer.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.